Hi YouTube, it's Alan Sugano. I'm the president of ADS Consulting Group, and today's topic is about Panini Vision X check scanner. So if you might in your company, instead of going to the bank, you can use a check scanner to scan your checks and do remote deposits. And typically you would use a Panini scanner that has an auto feeder in it. So you just load up 10 checks and go, you know what I'm talking about if you have one of these. So what happens over time, if you notice that like you load up your checks and it goes, and you're like, wow, that didn't load very well, right? Or it jams up all the time. The roller that actually feeds the checks through, where there's a little roller and it goes boing and it puts the check through, those tend to degrade and actually crack over time. So the fix is pretty simple. All you need to do is order a replacement roller for your check scanner model. I'll put a link here to the roller replacement that we use to fix a client's check scanner. And I looked and go, oh yeah, that's what the problem is. The good news here is it's a lot cheaper than buying a brand new scanner. I mean, you could, but why just not replace the roller? The roller is $10-$20, and the new check scanner is more like $1,000. So anyway, if you have a check scanner and you're having document feeding issues and it's been in service for, let's call it, more than 5 or 6 years, you could have a bad roller. Fix is super simple. So check, you can just usually just get the model of your check scanner, go online and see if there's a roller available for it. So anyway, that's our tip of the week. If you like this content, please boink at the subscribe button, boink at the like button. It does help out the channel. Place your rollers if you're having check feeding issues on your check scanners. Thanks a lot for listening. We'll talk to you soon.